Welcome back to another episode. We are still on why men will continue to die young. Men will continue to die young if they keep on keeping bad friends. The Bible says evil communication corrupts good manner. It is some men would have scaled through untimely deaths if their friends were good. A friend that is jealous of you is not worthy to be kept. Someone that is not always happy with your great achievements, with your success, oh, that is not a good friend. You don't have to keep that friend. Such friend can take off your life untimely. A greedy friend can take off your life untimely. Some people, or let me say, some men thought they have good friends until when achievement comes. When you achieve little thing and your friend was like, or your friend is like, I wish it is mine, I wish I'm the one, I wish I'm this, I wish I'm that. Such a friend can poison you. Such a friend can assassinate you. Such a friend can murder you. If your friend is not always happy with your achievements, it will not help you. Another way that men keep bad friends is when your friends are not giving you good advice. Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ that always push you to drag what your hand cannot even take. Ohun tọ́wọ́ mi ò tó, má fi gọ̀ǹgọ̀ fà. What I'm not able to get, I will get it anyhow. If you have such kind of a friend, you might not live long, because it is either he uses you for money ritual, or he sells you off to someone that will give him money and enjoy you or affect you. So can we now see different ways and different reasons why men are not living long? Though females too keep those friends, but it is very easy for women to quit such a relationship compared to men. By the time you see 10 men that still have their childhood friends as their friends, you will rarely see single woman to still have a childhood friend as a friend. The reason is that women find it easy to quit any relationship that doesn't pay us. Yes, any relationship that doesn't pay us, we find it easy to quit. But men will still be like, it will change, it will change, it will change. Let me give him another chance. Let me look at him this way. If your friends are bad, they can injure you. They can take your life untimely, especially if money is involved, or woman. If you see two men fighting aggressively, look in total what caused the fight. You will realize that it is either a woman or money. So if you have a greedy friend, if you have a jealous friend, they can take your life untimely. For you to live long, please quit such relationship. Yoruba says, ẹni tá ń bá rìn tí a ò yó, tá bá fi rẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ sílẹ̀, ebi ò máa lè pa ni. That is someone you are befriending and you are not satisfied. You are not fully satisfied. If you leave such a person, you will never know it. It will not affect you. So if you have not seen the previous clips of why men continue to die young, do so by checking my YouTube channel. If you are watching this on my YouTube channel, kindly scroll up or down to check the previous episodes, the previous clip. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for watching this. I actually and sincerely grateful. I love you. Do well to share, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.